one shot I have just prepared for the self motivation part, because sometimes I used to give on to very general topic related to this thing. That is somewhat self motivation for life skill development and high goals. I'll just take only 15 minutes to cover this one. Okay. So motivation, you all know, that is a very fine term, and that is a very important term in now present day scenario, right? Everyone is loaded, stressed, stated with each of the different things. So motivation is very important thing which energize our attitude and behavior, right? That's why we keep such an environment in which motivation is much required in today's life. So this is somewhat some basic things related to the system, that we should do this, we should do that. Okay. Okay. I'll start from the time management. Right. Somewhat time management is very important. Why? Because we all know that everyone has equal time. किसी के पास ऐसा है कम ज़्यादा time हो तो, right? Not possible. Everybody has 24 hours and 365 days and all those sort of. So everyone has equal time, but we can manage time. How? We all know that we have different sort of things. So we generally try to maintain a balance between personal life and professional life, right? So we have 24 hours. So 8 hours sleeping is essential for everyone, 7 to 8 hours. Now you can calculate how many of you are doing this thing, 7 to 8 hours sleep. Mostly 60 to 70% people are not doing, right? Health is wealth, people used to say, or so many things are there. So the most important thing is time is very powerful. So for that, you have to maintain a proper strategy to utilize the time. 8 hours for sleep, 8 hours for your official work, 8 hours for your personal, right? अब उसमें सब डिवाइड करते जाएंगे, right? For personal work, these things are there. Out of that, 7 hours, 1 hour for yourself, right? What is your interest? Some people are interested in playing things, some people are interested in reading books, some people are interested in entertainment, movies, something. So follow your hobbies, that will keep you energetic or enthusiastic in this particular stressful environment, right? So that is very important. So you have to make a planned strategy. Like always I have mentioned, from starting you see this is sort of work we have to do. So you will manage a timetable for that. So if you're going to manage your timetable, then you will able to achieve 90% of your target goals, right? If you'll do or manage the things in a proper manner, you can able to achieve the target in a defined or in a timely manner, whether it is related. So there are many people who maintain a perfect balance between a personal and professional life, right? घर में भी खुश, बाहर भी खुश, right? So that is family भी खुश and colleagues, faculties, all these things. So that is somewhat a skill, right? It is not like that everybody can manage. There are only few people who can manage the things. You can discuss, you can think about yourself itself. आप कितना manage and balance कर पाते हैं कि family भी full happy, and here in professional, in college itself, everybody is happy related to the work or with my behavior. Okay, so that is very important. So there are various sort of time managements. So for that we have to cut short those things that is not important, right? आज के टाइम में तो हमारा mostly the time is gone in the mobile phone, right? It is somewhat like this is for true for everyone. Like which I have seen in one reel, the Shah Rukh Khan was saying to Amrish Puri that अपनी बेटी को ले जाओ, इसको रील बनाने के अलावा कुछ नहीं आता है, right? So that sort of thing is going on. Everyone is half of the people are busy in making the reel, half is watching the reel, right? That sort of things are going on. Very difficult. Now the things have been advanced. I can things, and even sir has talked about this system. Even advanced system, but that is somewhat dangerous also. Right? Likewise, in one of the place I have seen, uh, we generally used to do lock and this sort of thing. But in some foreign countries, there's the scan system or QR code sort of thing, thumb impression, facial recognition, and all that sort of thing. But there is a limitations onto that part itself also. What happens? One of the lady, she has her facial recognition for opening the door, right? So then she went for the office in the morning time and done this work. When she left back to the evening, अब door खुल ही नहीं रहा है. So can you tell me what was the problem? सुबह तो पूरा मेकअप में गई थी. हाँ वो कैमरा ही रिकॉग्नाइज नहीं कर रहा. That sort of thing are limitations also, right? Related to any system. Okay. So as I mentioned, the time allocation is very important. So you have to allocate the time for each of the activities, whether it may be family, friends, events, writing, reading, meditation. Everything is important, right? There are many people who do yoga or meditation or exercise, right? So do you think they have the benefits of that or not? होता है ना? Sure है ना? I'll give a best example of that one, Malaika Arora, right? Yoga, meditation, every time this sort of thing. Obviously, if you are doing this sort of thing, you will get the benefits of it. You have to fulfill your interest part. But just ask yourself, how many of you have just means अपने इन चीजों का just suppress करके रखा हुआ है. Right? Because we have kept other things on priority level. हमारे लिए क्या important है, इसका ये है, इसका वो है, this sort of thing. But we are keeping us at our least priority. That is the problem. सारी चीजों को खुश करने के चक्कर में अपना, right? So that is the major problem. Because कल को कोई problem आएगी, you can see how many will be going to stand with you. So better to take care of yourself. Nobody else will be going to take care. That is very important. Health. Okay. Magic of time management. You can see everything, whether materialistic, non-materialistic, gives a particular message. Right? वो हम लोग हिंदी में स्टोरी पढ़ते थे, लास्ट में मोरल ऑफ द स्टोरी आता था. The same way, Proof said, aim high. It is on the top. Same case, be always cool. There are many people, बहुत difficult situation है, but फिर भी शांत है, right? The more. And some people lose the temper, this, that, many things happen onto that time. But that is how you can manage or control your emotion, stress, and the various things. Okay, so these are some of the things through which you can manage the part. Now, this is somewhat metrics. Okay, what are the urgent things? What are not urgent things? Right? Sometimes people used to waste time. Right? People are interested in wasting time also. You know, if they will, that is fact. If you are doing something, so then obviously you'll see, okay, ये भी देख लेते हैं, this भी, this भी. But that is not necessary. But we are doing that one because why we are doing that sort of thing? Human nature, right? Anyways, so these are some of the things that is important, not important, urgent or not urgent. Okay. Best hobby, those who people generally used to do at that time, reading books. Now, how many of you have this good hobby, reading books? पढ़ता है कोई? Even subject books पढ़ लें, that is also बाकी तो छोड़ ही दीजिए, right? Subject book पढ़ने का time. Even before going to the lecture on and this thing, I have literally seen that from here to the classroom, आज ये पढ़ाना है, okay, just मोबाइल में देख लिया, okay, this topic, this things. Interest खत्म हो गया है, motivation खत्म हो गया है, एंथू खत्म हो गया, right? until and unless कोई भी काम करते हैं likewise घर पे ही, if my wife has good mood, खाना बहुत अच्छा बने, right? So that particularly depends on different x y z factors. Okay, so for that we have to do certain things through which we can have a better empathy. So this I'll skip self development or these things. What are very important concerns, right? The body, health, friends, family, work, career, then emotions, community, everything is very important. Now, motivation is somewhat related with the two important contexts. The first thing is desired and commitment, right? I will explain by using an example. Most of the people here prepare for IAS, right? Civil services, the most important thing. Some people are so much dedicated or so much concerned about this thing कि if they will not going to achieve that target, they will go in a stress mood or depression, that sort of thing. But some people have different principle related to that. ठीक है, IAS नहीं, IPS ही सही, UPSC ही सही, or this sort of thing, right? So what is your desire? What is your commitment? Both things are related. If you're going to try to achieve that objective, then you have to put that much of dedication and commitment to achieve that target. Okay. Okay. So motivation means somewhat energized to be proactive related to the attitude or the behavior one. Okay. Now, how does it comes from? Motivation comes from everything. Some people are very environmental friendly, right? किसी को धूप में देखते रहते हैं तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है. Okay, the things, environment and all those things. Somewhat feeling calm and cool so as to be active. Some people get motivated by their surroundings part, right? That is also some sort of motivation. So intrinsic and extrinsic, both motivations are very important. Okay, this is somewhat the Maslow hierarchy of needs, that how you will be going to follow the different sort of needs related to your day-to-day life. Okay, let's skip this one. Self-motivation. Self-motivation is very important, because to achieve a target, right? बोलते हैं मैं ये कर सकता हूँ. So for that, generally intrinsic motivation comes from their basic analogy part. Okay, I'll just skip these things. Self-motivation, that is recognize work, positive self-talk, stay healthy, attitude, develop teamwork. It is somewhat like some people used to motivate the others one also in a very defined manner. Okay, it is somewhat like using to make something and see whether it is done in a good or bad manner. Okay. This is somewhat why we lose motivation, right? Lack of confidence, focus, or direction. So sometimes these things are very important. This is somewhat intrinsic or extrinsic motivation, in which we look onto the different factors, maybe intrinsic or extrinsic. So it may be love, empathy, some sort of reward, promotions, everything comes into the. Yeah, I'll skip these things. Okay. This, you all know that in various situations we have to manage these things. All is well or all will be going to well. Definitely time manages the things in a better way. Yeah, I'll skill these things. So creative thinking, this I'll just skip. Yeah. Decision making. Hmm. Understand. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for your guidance.